Hey, what's going on, people? Q here with Tech Rants, and today I'm going to be unboxing the Cadence Etalk LTE feature phone. Let's get started. All right, I want to give a shout out before I get started. I want to give a shout out to Verizon for allowing me to get this device. I had to go through some strange hoops to get this device, man, but I finally got it. They did not send this out for review. I actually bought this with my own money, but it's not listed online. It's kind of hard to get it. So, but they were able to work with me and worked out a good deal, and I'm glad to have it here in hand on the channel for you guys. So this is a flip phone. This isn't a smartphone. I got a flip phone, or basic phone, whatever you want to call it, because not everybody is ready for smartphones. Sometimes people just want a backup phone, to have for work or for the kids or something, whatever else. You never know. And flip phones are known for their endless reliability. I got a couple flip phones over here that I just find reliable. So let's go ahead and get into the unboxing. So this is a Cadence. Never heard of it, or I'm probably pronouncing it wrong. It's called an eTalk. It is a smartphone. It has a 2.8-inch internal color display, a 1.4 external display, 1500 milliamp hour battery. It's a voice over LTE phone, and it's supposed to be pretty good. So let's go ahead and get into the box. I could have used a knife, but I did not. I know, I'm horrible. Let's get in here. All right, pull this open. See what we get in here. All right, so in here is the battery, and this is the charger. I'm pretty sure that's micro USB. I would bet on it. We'll get to that in a second. Wall adapter, manuals and user guides and things of that nature. And open this up. We have the device. So take a look at it here. Inside of here, this is actually a pretty thick device. Man, I didn't expect it to be this thick. This is pretty thick, actually. Let's open it up. It's got a nice big display. Wow. Nice big buttons. Man, these buttons are huge. Man, I didn't expect all that. All right, let's go ahead and see if we can get this cover off. So I can put this battery in. Don't think I can, actually. I don't have any fingernails. So, okay. Here's the battery compartment. Open that up. All right, so the SIM card's already in there. All right, let's go ahead and open up the battery. And go and install the battery here. I'm really excited to try this out because, like I said, flip phones are known for endless reliability. So definitely looking forward to this. This is a pretty big battery for a flip phone. I haven't seen a phone with a movable battery in quite some time. All right, got that out. All right. Drop test. Where did I put it? It fell. Give me 1 second. Oh, there it is. All right, let's go ahead and get the battery in here. Maybe. Give me 1 second. Try to manipulate it. All right, got the battery in there. All right, put the cover on. And yeah, all right, let's go ahead and give it its first boot up. See if we can figure this out. Let's open it and vibrate. Very well could be dead, but it's going to rip up this plastic cover. Oh man, sounds nice. I think it's some more plastic cover here. All right, thought this was the power button, but not quite sure. Oh, okay. Actually, I see it. Let's go ahead and power it on. There we go. Felt a little vibration. And yeah, this will be interesting to definitely test out. Most definitely. I'm very excited for this. And I'm, definitely interested to see how this will play out. This is an LTE phone. It's kind of huge, man. This is big. Um, Definitely something I'm not used to. So definitely good for like senior citizens and the elderly and things of that nature. So I've got this on. I'm gonna go ahead and get it all set up, and I'll come back when it's all finished. All right, everybody. So we've got this set up now. This here is a different. It's a pretty different type of phone. It's definitely not a smartphone, but it acts so much like one. So let's go ahead and take a look at some of the settings here. If I can get into the settings.
Selected recent calls row 1. Selected gallery row 2.
Okay.
Selected internet row 3.
Internet.
Selected recent. Selected gallery. Selected media.
So I've got the talkback accessibility on so I can use it.
Selected Verizon.
Verizon.
Selected internet row. Selected notification. Selected tools and selected recent. Selected messaging. Selected contacts.
So
gallery.
Trying to look at the settings.
Media. Selected Verizon. Selected internet row 3.
So I have a lot to figure out here about this phone. It's a little different than I'm used to. So this is just a unboxing of it. It's kind of sporadic, I know, but hey, it's just the first unboxing. So stay tuned. I'm gonna upload this as soon as I can, and I'll definitely use it for a while and tell you how it is, and we'll definitely go from there. So thank you. Stay tuned, and if you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, definitely leave it down below. If this was helpful, informative, or entertaining in any way, leave a like on the video, comment down below, subscribe, share, all that other good stuff, and we'll catch you on the next one. Later.